This screencast is going to show you how to download your website as a PDF in order to highlight and annotate on it so that you can pull out useful information for your research paper. So I have pulled up a website on the bubonic plague, or otherwise known as the Black Death, here from history.com. So I've already established that this is a pretty credible source that has a lot of potentially useful information that I might want to use. So what you do is you go up to File, Print, or Command P for print. Okay. And the way I do it is I click on More Settings right here and scroll down until you see Open PDF in Preview. That's how I usually do it. I think there's another way to do it here, as just like save as PDF and then you have to go find it. But I just find it's quicker to do this Open PDF in Preview because it'll open it right away for you. And then it has created a PDF document with this. It has the URL with it, which is really helpful, useful, because you don't want to use that. You're going to need that when we go to do a works cited page. So what I would do from here is I would read it, pull out your highlighter, and highlight things that might be useful information for what you're looking for in your prompt, and maybe even like quotes that you could use. Just highlight them so that it's easy for you to go back to these sources, and it's quicker to access the information. And you can even open up this little toolbar, and type here, like if you thought this might be good for your body paragraph 1, body number 1, and put like little notes to yourself for where it might be useful. That's it.